Introducing OB7, the revolutionary cobot that needs no programming. The CNC package is specifically designed for the machine shop environment. OB7 ships directly to you, requires no loading dock or forklift, and can be assembled by your employees in under an hour. The UPS battery backup allows OB7 to be moved without powering down. OB7 rolls easily right to your machine and locks into place with built-in casters and leveling feet. The CNC package includes the GEI, a general equipment interface that hooks up simply with your CNC machine. Which manages air, Ethernet connection, and the M-code signals, standard on most machines. The CNC package comes complete, a real-world turnkey solution designed specifically for the machine shop environment. The air vise comes with the package and plugs right in. By automating the vise, OB7 can load and unload parts, as well as reposition them during multi-step machining operations.